So, in this presentation today, we are going to see some points of the crowdfunding, the meaning, the motivation of the funders, the motivation of the project owners, the platforms for the crowdfundings, the crowdfunding business models, the crowdfunding data evolution, and we are going to see a just small case of crowdfunding. So, when we talk about crowdfunding, what we are meaning about that? We have someone who has an idea, he wants to transform his idea to a project, a realized project, and for that reason, he wants money. He is addressing to a lot of people, and he can do it through the internet or the mobile, everything that new technology offers. And there is a lot of other people who are interested to this idea, and they finance this idea. And there are several forms to finance this idea. And we are going to discuss which those forms can be. This industry, the growth of crowdfunding, is very important, as we shall see later these last years. And the founder usually identifies himself with the project, either because he's interested on that, because he's going to get money, or because he sees that this is a very good idea that deserves to get financed. We have some main basic categories of crowdfunding. One is the donation, one other is the reward, one other is lending, and fourth is equity. Which are the motivation of the funders? There are a lot of motivations. First of all, we can see there is a social return. The funders think that this is a good idea that deserves to get financed because it's for the for the good of the community, so it's good to finance it. The profit is not the main motivation of the founder in this case. The material return. In that case, there is a return which is expressed in kind of material. And we have the financial return. In that case, the founder says or thinks that he is going to get money back, but by financing this project. It's not always a big amount of money, as it can be in the case of angel, as it can be in the case of venture capital, for example, because there is always an idea of the social influence on this project, which is now the motivation of the project owner who wants to get money. First of all, it's to get money. This is the most important thing concerning the project owner. Without money, he cannot go on. There are some other reasons. One of these is that by introducing a lot of people in his project, he can have a feedback on several parts of his project. That can be, for example, the price. That can be also the motivation of the founders. If there are a lot of people who are interested in his project, that means that his project is a good one. Another thing is the sales of his product. If there are a lot of people who are interested, because we are going to see later that a reward can be in kind. instead of take money, the funder, he can take a part of the product. So it's not only get money, but it's also to see which is the reaction of the clients, of the customer, against his, instead of his idea. So we can go now to another part of this presentation, which is the way the system works. It works through platforms. There are platforms in the internet that accept at the beginning the project owner. They take the idea. Some of platforms have a pre-selection of this idea, and once they think that this is a good idea, they make it public to all audience that can be interested on that. There are other platforms that do not make a preselection. They put it directly in the platform so everyone can see the idea. Once the project owners give the idea to the platform and the platform accepts it, the platform begins to collect the money. And once the money is collected, compared to what the project owner wants, give the money to the project owner. If the money collected is not enough, so the project cannot work because of lack of money, they give the money back to the funders. After the project's realization, sometimes there is always a connection of the project owner with the platform. Some other time it ends. There is a big number of platforms. Nowadays, it's about 500 platforms that work with the crowdfunding. I choose some of them. One is the Kickstarter. It works much more with a donation. One other is Indiegogo. It's also on donation. The crowdfunder, it works much more with business. RocketCube, it's donation-based, and CrowdRise, it's also a donation-based platform. But as I said, there are about 500 platforms working on that. So, which are the business models? First of all is donation. Donation, as the words say, is just donation. They do not expect to get money from that. They think this is a good project for the community, and people who want to give money, they give money for the good of the community. Another business model is the rewards. By that, who give the money, he wants something back. It can be money, it can be kind. For example, if you have an idea to product a product of biological quality, for example, if I want to produce honey, and this is very exceptional honey, etc., I can say that who wants to finance my business, I can give him back, instead of money, a kilo of honey per year or per month, etc., etc. This goes with pre-sales. On the other hand, we have lending, by this case, through crowdfunding. Funders lend money through the crowdfunding platform to the project owner, and giving the money, they expect something in return, which is take their money back with a small interest. It is not always a banking interest, a big interest. It is usually a small interest. We have a variety of this kind. We have the social lending, the peer-to-peer lending, peer-to-business lending. And we go now to the fourth form, which is the most important, comparing to the money that is given, which is the equity crowdfunding. In that case, the funder gives the money to the project owner and receives a stock, as the guy did it a lot of years before. But in this case, they are going to get money back. And we have some hybrid models, which are variations of those schemas. I go fast because I think we're a little. So let's see some data that can be interesting on that. Here we have the number of platforms. You see that in 2010 we have 283, and 2 years later we have 536 platforms. This is a huge, I think, growth. The fund raised worldwide, it was 1.5 billion USD in 2011. Now it is 5 billion in 2013. And the majority, the big majority of them, about 90%, is in the United States and Europe. Here we have the growth of the crowdfunding market according to the kind of business model. So, reward-based crowdfunding has 43%. So, the idea is that we want something back. The donation is 29%. Equity, which is purely financing, it's 15%. And lending-based, it's 13%. And we have, of course, the huge growth on the reward basis, which is 500% in 2 years. And let's see here how much money is given. We discuss here, we see this table regarding the equity-based model. You see that 42% is for money for more than 100,000. This is because it's equity, it's huge money. If we go now to see which are the categories which are more active, you see that social causes is the most important. So it remains on the basis of the good of the community as an act. Still, we have a part of business and entrepreneurship. So it's good for the community, but on the other hand, this is still business. So it's not just lose money as we did it 30 years before. We want something back. So films and performing arts, it's about 12%, music about 7%, energy environment, it's 5%, and others, it's 28%. And here I have the donation example and see which is the amount that is given per project. It's about 30%, so the majority of them is given for an amount less to 2,000 half US dollars. And if we consider till the amount of 5,000, it's the big majority, it's more than 50%. And this is how much time takes to get financed. To launch the competition, depending the case, it's about between 5, which is the landing base, and 10 weeks for the launch. To have the first 25% of milestones, it takes about 2 to 3 weeks. And to have the last 25 milestone, it takes about 3 weeks. That means that in about, the most important, in about, that depending, 5 to 10 weeks, you can have the launch of your idea. Do I have the time to discuss it? So I just took an example from the internet. This is an example that has passed in the Netherlands. That was Deutsche Wind Cooperatives in Kallenborg. They asked for money, and as you can see, they got 1.3 million euros in just 13 hours. That was an idea for renewable energy. They said, we are going to do this. Who wants to invest it? And in 13 hours, they got 1.3 million euros. And there were 1,700 householders who have been interested. And as they indicate, they can reach more than 6,900 householders if they wanted to get more money. This is a very good example, and this was described as a record on the crowdfunding example, because as you can see, it's a very good example because they had they had a lot of money in just 13 hours. So I suppose we are going to discuss other examples. To resume of what I said, crowdfunding is having an idea, go to all the people all over the world, and this is possible through internet to get money. Usually it is related for the good cause, for social return, etc. We can have several kinds, either just a donation or a small reward, or we go to a more financial causes, which is equity or it is lending. That's all from me. Thank you.